You can hear me?
Hello, good evening. Can you? Hello, good evening. Namaskar. Assalamu alaikum. Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to finally the Teachers' Day conversation that हम 4 बजे से we were trying to connect to my professor, Mrs. Madhupa Bakshi. Absolutely live on the Facebook page of 91.9 Friends FM. I hope we are live. Are we live? I'm just trying to see that. Do you see? We
Yes,
are
we are
totally
live.
live.
We are live. We are
Yes.
live. The notification came.
Oh, all right. Ma'am, first of all, good evening, and you're looking so pretty.
Thank you so much. Makes my day. Honest.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. I am, in this pandemic, while we are in this gloom, we are missing our students in the campus. I couldn't believe that it can be such a hectic Teachers' Day. From morning, the two students have organized programs, and I've been watching it in campus and now back at home and back and with you. And it's so lovely to get back with old students. There's such a comfort level. You don't need to be teacher anymore.
Do you really feel so? I mean, a while back, even when I was talking to you, guiding you, you said that, oh, you become the teacher. Trust me, ma'am, this gives such a great feeling that, oh, fine, finally, my professor is telling me, Ki Smriti, okay, even you can be a teacher. Well, to be
Of
very honest,
course.
ma'am, well, whatever, to be very honest, I was absolutely a hopeless student. We all know that. Well, no comments on that. But I would
So
really
was
like
I.
to put some light on this. Yeah.
So was I.
No, ma'am. Please, nay. Asha, anyway, let's go back to your childhood days. What kind of a student were
Oh
you?
well,
Naughty?
you know what? Those were the days when girl kids were not so very important in the family. I had two elder brothers who were very good in studies, and then came this little daughter whom everybody pampered around, loved around, and who never sat down with her studies. I was back
Hmm.
home at 7 o'clock, playing football with the boys, and I was back home late evening. So nobody cared whether I studied or not at that point of time. By the time
Hmm.
class 10 came, everybody became very serious. What will happen to this girl? She isn't studying. She has. They thought I had a lot of potential. How they thought, I don't know. But
Hmm. Hmm.
I never. At that point of time, it was not very important to study, and I think that is okay because when I look back and I see a lot of my friends who are very serious, it's I'm not going to say that they have not reached their full potential, but I would say it has been I have been carelessly careful about it. I would say that means that it has been easier. While they have been very serious, they have taken on it much more seriously to do the things. Probably I had found an easier way to do the things. So your experience, you should tell everybody also how it has been because you are successful now.
Well, it's very difficult to really say that whether I'm successful or not. But all I want to say is that we all remain student of life. We are learning. We are at it. We are struggling. We are fighting. We are surviving. And given the pandemic time, ma'am, to be very honest, if we are waking up to another sunrise the next day, we are good. That's what I would like to say.
Absolutely,
And besides, when
absolutely,
you're at your
absolutely.
purest purity, those days studying was not really important. What do you mean when you say that studying was not really important? Do you think at present time? I mean, I just didn't understand that, ma'am. Please.
No, studying was not important in the sense today both students and parents are much more serious about education. At our point of time, education was not I wouldn't say it was not a priority in life, but that didn't mean everything revolved around education. It happened much more easily. People did their studies, but it didn't take up all the time in the world. We had time for games, we had time for our extracurricular activities, we had time for socialization. But today, when I see the youngsters, the school children, the students who go to college, they are much more stressed about it. They have far more priorities to do. So So yes, so that way our lives were
Hmm.
probably much more
Hmm.
less stressful. Pretty, you have grown up
Right.
in a town which has also had a less stressful life. I'm sure, and you must have grown up playing in the
Hmm.
fields. You must have grown up, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am, you're very, very right. I still remember the days that during this time when I'm talking and chatting with you on the virtual world, the new world for us where we are totally living happily 24/7 we can say. This was the time যখন মাঠে গিয়ে আমরা খেলতাম বন্ধুদের সাথে ওই কাবাডি and all of those stupid games, you know. Uh, I don't know whether I really miss those days or not, but I'm sure अगर ये पैंडेमिक नहीं होता तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू से टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, टू ऑल द यंग वंस, टू द टीनेजर्स, आप बहुत कुछ मिस कर रहे हैं लाइफ में मैम. व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट दैट?
Yes, yes, absolutely. The green fields are there, and if the children don't play, if the boys don't play, who will justify those green fields? In a way, the pandemic has slowed down our lives. See, when we were growing up, our results never were on time. With Calcutta University and everything, it was kind of a little bit late every time. We didn't bother about it. Today, when our results are late, when the exams are late, the students are worried. They're asking what will happen to our career, what the industry say, will they bother, bother about it, will they ask questions about it. So in a way, pandemic has also slowed down the world, which may be good, which may be bad. Right now, it's so difficult to say what it is all about. But were rushing. Pre-pandemic, we were rushing a bit too much, perhaps. I don't know. Maybe I'm being judgmental. Maybe this is my view. But this is also in a way to you sit back, you reflect with your family, you reflect that you can stay together for a long time without causing each other any mental harm, each other any physical harm, and also amiably and realize that family is the core of your strength.
Absolutely. Family is the core of the strength. On that note, from like, do you remember any like your school days? I mean, the teachers who probably gave you all the strength to go on in life, that you cherish the memory
Absolutely,
spending
I
time
have.
with. Let's talk about that. Yeah.
Absolutely. See, we went. I'm from Modern High School, and it is known to be a strict school. So therefore, the teachers and when we were children, there were, and you would not imagine, we did not have boys on the campus. So the boys were not allowed within the campus. So you can imagine how strict they were. Yes,
Yeah.
even when
Okay.
there were exams, secondary exams, higher secondary exams, they were not allowed on campus, and we were all
So
told to
would
go
the boys
upstairs.
actually go, will like did like this I have seen in the movies, ऐसा होता था कि the boys are standing outside the college, I sorry, school
Yes, yes,
campus,
yes,
and when y'all are,
yes, yes,
oh,
yes,
so
yes.
y'all
It did
also had,
happen. It did happen, and don't. And the girls were also excited when they saw the boys. So
oh,
it's
what
normal.
about you,
It's the
ma'am?
age. Oh, well, I would have probably gone and played a little bit of football with them, or soccer, or badminton. I didn't care much about that, but I would have rather played with them. So everybody was. I was more interested in games at that point of time. So
Okay.
yes, we came from very disciplined schools, but at the same time, our teachers were also the discipline that they taught us has I would say has let us grow. I have some of the best teachers. In fact, our principal also in Facebook still, and she's from Ireland. So we had
Hmm.
such disciplined teachers who taught us the ways of life, and that is what makes you grow. Without discipline, we cannot survive. Yeah, as a
Absolutely.
teacher, I have to say that. I have to say that, but that is what we are still teaching. Perhaps that is what nothing else. The subjects more than the subjects, it matters that how you carry on with your life, with all the frameworks that are put in place in your childhood, in your college days.
Well, yes, ma'am. Lots of students are watching this live. हमारे कॉलेज के दिनों के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आई एम श्योर এখনকার যারা বাচ্চারা আছে সবাই দেখছে এই প্যান্ডেমিক না সবাইকে একটু মানে দে হ্যাভ রিয়েলি মানে সবাই একটু আপসেট হয়ে গেছে তো লাইক ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ টু সে সামথিং টু cheer them up as a professor you are always talking to us তুমি আমার সাথেও কতবার কথা বলেছো স্মৃতি about life about এটা করে নাও ওটা করে নাও এটা পড়াশোনা করে নাও a lot of things in personal life and professional life you have always guided me yes you have so what would you like to say to all the বাচ্চারা যারা একটু টেনশনে আছে এই মুহূর্তে
টেনশন খাওয়ার কিছু নেই, we are all in it together. We are all in it together. No company, all companies are together, all colleges are together. The best part of it is that we are all together. The tension খাবো না, একে একে অপরের হাত ধরলেই হবে। যে যার নিজেদের হাত যদি ধরি, যে হাতটা ধরে রেখেছি সে হাতটা যেন ছেড়ে না দিই, আমরা সবাই সবার হাত ধরবো। And যদি আমাদের জীবনে একটা ব্রেক এসছে, so let us utilize that break as much as possible. Probably we never read books. Maybe it is time to just pick up a book and go into it. If you don't want books, go into the film, go into look back a little. See, the good part that has happened is everybody knows about 1918 flu now. Nobody knew about 1918 flu, right? So we have been forced to reflect and we have been forced to go back. आपके याद होगा छोटे जब थे तब मम्मी बोलती थी जाओ हाथ धो, मैं घर में आ रही हो हाथ धो, जाओ पैर धो. So हाथ धो पैर धोना फिर हम लोग अभी भी कर रहे हैं. Perhaps in the journey that we were past, we were wearing shoes, we were forgetting some of the basic nitty-gritties, and the pandemic has put back again those nitty-gritties. So hang on there and have some fun also, because the younger generation will be far more stronger than us. They have faced a pandemic. They will grow out of a pandemic. They will make the economy stronger out of a pandemic. So they will be far more stronger than us. So I'll say hats off to them. They will be leading the world in the next decade. So 2020, while it has put us back so many years, they are the ones who are going to. So they're going to do fine. We just need to tell them, you're strong. Let's go forward.
Absolutely, you are strong. সবাইকে বলছি শ্রেষ্ঠা কর্মকার এসে গেছে, হ্যাপি টিচার্স ডে তোমাকে বলছে, মার্ক দত্তা হ্যাপি টিচার্স ডে, শিবনাথ বারুই হ্যাপি টিচার্স ডে, হাই সবাইকে উইশ করছে। একটু আমরা দেরি করলাম 4টার সময়, ফাইনালি my batch I really can't see. Going back to our times, we were the first batch of the college in Kolkata. And যখন এসেছিলাম ম্যাম সত্যি কথা বলতে গেলে কলকাতাকে চিনতাম না, বেঙ্গল কি, আচ্ছা হাওড়া একটা আলাদা স্টেশন আছে সেটাও জানতাম না, এত বোকা ছিলাম। there is no limit, there is no full stop to বোকামি যেটা মানে আমরা করেছি বা we were as a student, as young people, whatever. मतलब ম্যাম টেল মি অনেস্টলি, আজকে আমাদেরকে সবাই দেখছে এই মুহূর্তে ফেসবুকে, সেই সব সময় আমাদেরকে মির্জা was I think Mirza Alam, you remember, happy Teachers Day he's wishing.
Yeah, where is Mirza?
Mirza is there, he's saying happy Teachers Day to you.
Yes,
2009.
And remember Mirza?
Yes.
2009, and Mirza never used to study. He's not going to like this. He's not going to like this.
मिर्जा देखो मैम क्या बोल रही है। अच्छा मौशुबा भट्टाचार्य, हेलो मैम।
Moshuba is my current, Moshuba is she's just passed out, she's gone into industry, so she's one of the sweetest students that I have. Moshuba is probably into teaching also right now, so she's a turned teacher too.
Wonderful, a very warm welcome Moshuba.
But Smriti, I have to say this, you came from Jamshedpur and you wanted to be a RJ. You were like, I want to be RJ. No matter whatever subject you're teaching, I'm not interested. I have to be an RJ. And I think by the end of the first year, you already had an internship, right?
No, I started in the last year. The last year of the college, 2009, yeah.
Last year. 2009. So just imagine from a girl within 3 years, you didn't know where Howrah station was, and then
No.
you were into a art, right? So
Yeah.
you didn't know Howrah station, but you knew by the end of the 3 years where the RJ station was.
Well, to be very honest, ma'am, the platform where we are at right now, 91.9 Friends FM, हमारे गुरु जो है, हमारे टीचर जो है, জিমি টাংরি, আজকে এই প্ল্যাটফর্মে বলতে চাই, আবার সকলের সামনে বলতে চাই, ওনাকে শুনেছিলাম যখন আমি জামশেদপুরে ছিলাম রেডিওতে। ওনাকে শুনেই মনে হলো যে जाना है कोलकाता और इस इंसान के साथ में काम करना है। आई मीन आई वाज जस्ट 17 or 18, so random and so unbelievable. Yet I when I came here, it was NSHM's one of the events which was happening, and Jimmy, he came as a guest. And I remember, ma'am, after the event was finished, one of our another professors, he introduced me to Jimmy, and I would run behind him. Oh my God, you are my God, you are my everything. I want to be a radio jockey. Please help me. And today, this is the moment I am standing. I am talking to you, working with this gentleman. I cannot believe this is truly magic. मैं
So
विश्वास
why
कर रही हूँ,
won't you
ma'am, to be very
call it
honest.
success? So why won't you call it success? That is what it is, right? Your dream, it's almost your dream that you have achieved. So it is a success, and for a student who can reach there, how many they all want to do that what you are doing, and you are a role model for them. That and radio is not an easy industry. Radio is a tough. How many people can be like Jimmy? Jimmy is an idol for the students who come in the radio industry. They all want to be with him, and they would love to work with Jimmy if they get an opportunity. So that is
Yes.
what makes people inspire. You inspire the students that yes, you can achieve it if you really want it and if you're willing to work hard. And you were working hard. I remember, and I still talk to my students who are undergrad students that at
Hmm.
that stage you have to modulate your voice, you have to know the language, you are bilingual, you know Hindi, you know Bengali. So within 3 years, you never knew Bengali. You had put in some amount of that language into your parlance. So that is hard work. That is what is necessary.
যাই না ম্যাম, জাস্ট চলেই
Mirza is
যাচ্ছি,
eight.
এটাই বলবো।
Yeah, I've got Mansi also
8.2,
there. Mansi, yeah, Mirza
happy
is saying
teachers day,
8.2.
Mansi says.
Yeah, Mirza is saying 8.2. Congratulations, Mirza. I never knew you got 8.2, but you could have done
It's
better. See, I'm a teacher. I'll always say that.
of course she will say. Then Mirza, I am like worst when it comes to you. I actually got, I think, somewhere around 7 point something. Anyway, ma'am, if I really start talking about my grades, I'm sure I'm gonna lose a lot of followers here. Smriti कल से तुमको
Doesn't
सुनेगा नहीं,
matter.
तुम कितना
Who
down
cares?
है।
Who cares about the
और
grades? Nobody cares about the grades. Like Mansi is a gold medalist. She is now become a teacher herself. She is a gold medalist. She's both from NSHM and Heritage. She did a master's from Heritage, and she's a gold medalist. And now she is just from last year she herself has become a professor. So
okay, all right.
there's a change of roles. So I
Yes.
think it is achievable if the students really try, and they have to be passionate. In media, passion works in media. If you're talking about media, there's nothing like
Absolutely.
and the returns are so big. See, today when I'm sharing, I have doctor friends and all, and when I'm sharing this post with them, they're saying, "Wow, you're going live with and this being live with an RJ and all that has got its own sort of glamour and things like that." They are much more accomplished. They are all doctors and engineers and things like that. But we have our own media people. We have our own world. We have our own little achievements. When you see such good students, and a bunch of you are doing pretty well from the college that we all went to, and you had your college life. And how was really your college life?
Ma'am, to be very honest, as we were discussing also, I have always concentrated in one thing because I have not seen a bigger city than Kolkata in my life. I'm talking on the perspective of those days. So when I reached here, the only thought process which would go behind the head was to finish the class, then go around the city and check it out. Go check out Victoria Memorial. Go check out Elliott Park. Go check out Science City. Go see the city. পড়াশোনাতে তো মনই ছিল না ম্যাম, and I'm sure you will agree with me. I was really a hopeless student. Please tell everybody যারা আমাদেরকে দেখছে এই মুহূর্তে.
Doesn't matter. You were passionate about radio, so you took as far as radio is concerned, you were pretty serious about that.
There's the sound is echoing. Anyway, Priya Upama Dash Gupta ma'am wishes you a very very happy Teachers Day. K.R. Rana Das wishes you a very very happy Teachers Day. Koel, thank you so much. Shobaike bolchi, do share this link. It's all about some lovely moments that I am spending with my professor. She used to teach me of course marketing during my college days. আর আজকে আপনার সাথে এখানে বসে once again Madhupa Bakshi, Dean of Media Department, Heritage Academy. So proud to have you with us right here on the Facebook page of 91.9 Friends FM on such a auspicious day, Teachers Day. কি বলতে চাইবেন to all the listeners and viewers of 91.9 Friends FM, Madhupa ma'am?
To all the listeners of keep listening to RJ Smriti. She brings you the best content, and also keep your hopes high. Thank you for letting us being teachers and letting us having the wonderful opportunity of imparting our wisdom, our knowledge to all of you. In this pandemic, we all need to stay strong, hold each other, help each other, and not be against each other. Whatever little differences we have, we should be forgetting, because we are surviving. We need to survive. We need to help others survive. So let us do that first. And please be safe. Please follow all the rules of the pandemic that we are on, so that we can get out of it all safely. And Shriti, a biggest thanks to you. You are doing wonderful well, and keep on doing well and achieve all your dreams.
Ma'am, thank you so much for bearing with us. আগে কিছু একটা for some time we were really confused, হবে না এইভাবে আমি চিন্তায় পড়ে গেলাম, তারপর বসের কাছ থেকে ঝাড় খেতে হতো, কিন্তু সব ঠিকঠাক হয়ে গেছে. Weekend is going to be good. We are going to be good. And thank you so much, ma'am. Really, I love you a lot, and you know that.
Yes, absolutely. I have still 2 more programs. I have still 2 in the evening. The students are putting up 2 more programs. So it's a fun-filled day for all the teachers, and thank you for letting me be here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a great evening ahead. Happy Teachers Day. We become the kid once again.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.